This is day 3 of my 7 days consistency challenge. So let's start. Alright. After I've got over 2,000 plus subscribers in my previous channel, Bulu of Lagos channel, I got to find out that YouTube Short did more harm than help it. Posting YouTube Short can destroy your channel because it's destroyed mine. In one of my videos, I talked about the reason why I'm starting a YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be telling you reason why you should not post short, an example of YouTuber who destroy their channels with short, and a tip on how to make use of short without harming your channel. So let's go into the video of today. Have you ever seen a video saying get 2,000 subscribers in 3 days, or get 2,000 subscribers in 24 hours or 7 hours? Believe me, all of them are dead. Sorry, not this dead food, but dead truth. So the reason why I mentioned those videos earlier is because most of them will say post short, and posting short will destroy your channel. Take it or leave it. And I'm talking from experience, unless you are monetized, or maybe you did not want to grow your YouTube channel with short. But if you are planning to use your YouTube channel, you are planning to use short to monetize, then this video is for you. Or you are taking short desired to make than long form content, or if you YouTube short get more views than long form content, then this video is for you. Ask yourself, why are people hyping short so much? Because I see a lot of creators saying post short to get this, and a lot of creators are hyping short without mentioning the bad side effects of shorts, and that's very bad of them. I saw a creator online on YouTube like this one here. He said you can earn $275,000 with YouTube short and ChatGPT, and this one said copy and paste YouTube short and make $600. And I'm here to bust that bubble. They are all big lies, as in big lie. And most of them don't post short in their channel, and their subscriber does not have any idea about YouTube, so they just do anything they see on YouTube. But let me tell you from my own experience, I posted YouTube short for more than good 2 months, and believe me, it helped my channel grow very fast, but also killed my long form content. Let me show you my analysis. When I was posting YouTube short, it gave me fast subscriber, very fast subscriber, but YouTube short gave me massive subscriber also. But let me show you. It gave me 100 plus subscriber, 150 plus subscriber, are you seeing them? And many more. Fast view, and I got more than 3,000 subscribers before. But currently, most of my subscribers have left already because I stopped posting short. And that is how harmful short can be. And YouTube short can be good at getting a lot of views in a very short period of time. And most big YouTubers make short to begin. Most YouTubers will say make short to begin with and flip to long form content later. But what? It doesn't work that way. Because subscribers from short won't watch your long form content, no doubt in that, unless you want me to lie for you. If you think I'm lying, give it a try. Most subscribers will only watch that short that they came to watch. They won't watch the long form content. So why is it bad? Well, YouTube short, number one, YouTube short brings what is called split audience. And some viewers only watch your YouTube short, and some viewers watch only your long form content. Sorry. Just like my former channel, I got more than 20k views in my short video. Are you seeing it? But my long form content isn't even up to 500 views, and that is very, very bad. And my long form content viewer is different from my short content viewer. They are two different people. Don't let anyone lie to you. For example, Dan Rhodes. He has over 20 million subscribers, and is the king of YouTube shorts. And he can't even hit 50k views on his long form content because what? He has a split audience. And you might be thinking, but having a split audience isn't that bad. First, you need to understand how YouTube algorithm actually works. Do you know when you first post your video, YouTube will first show it to some set of people called pool 1. First, which is your subscriber. And this is what you don't know. And your subscriber determine how the video will perform. If they click on the video, like it, comment, share, and do a lot of things on the video, that makes YouTube know that this video is good. Then YouTube does what? It shows it to pool 2. And if pool 2 also click on it, like it, comment, share, do a lot of things on the video, they show it to pool 3 and keep pushing the video to different people and more audience. And that is why YouTube Shorts can out your channel is that most YouTube Short viewers tend to have watch only short form videos and aren't interested in long form content. Yes. So when you post long form content, when you post long form videos, either you're subscribed from short form content, don't click on it, or they don't watch it for long. And that is dangerous because they want more of shorts. Just like a little baby, when you give them something sweet and they lick it, they come back for more. But if you give them something bitter, like lime, they don't lick it though, they run. So most people love short more than long form content. So when they don't watch it, it signals to algorithm that your video sucks and they stop promoting them. And it happened to so many big creators like Dolphin.
Before I started posting shorts daily, I was getting around 1 million to 1.2 million views per month. Now, as I started posting daily, you'll see in the last 28 days, well, it shifted to 300,000 to 400,000 views just on shorts. Now that's great, that's an extra big boost of views. However, my views for long form content dropped by about that much in the same time period.
So did you see how YouTube Short out his channel? So YouTube Short sucks and you should never make them. But I'm not completely saying YouTube Short is bad. No. But there's a way you can implement short into content strategy. But let me show you some of the benefits of posting short. Have you ever spent like a week making long form content and you post it and you get 3 to 4 views, no engagement? That's painful. And Colin Simara says that
The thing I really like about YouTube Shorts is that it's a lower barrier to entry in terms of us getting ideas out into the world.
It's a great way for us to test audience interest and see which piece of content we want to invest in.
I'm so sorry for how I pronounce those names. I don't really know how to pronounce it, so I'm so sorry. And YouTube added a feature that makes you link your short form content to your long form content. And it only works if what you post in your short form video is the same as what you post in your long form videos. That is where YouTube Shorts will work for you well. For example, Ali Abdul, he does it very well. And as you can see, he posts both short form content and long form content. But the reason why he's successful in the two is because he keeps the style very similar. Another person is Ray Williams, who is a storyteller, and his channel is doing well, both in short form content and long form content. Are you seeing tons of view in both of them? So that's it. Number 2, YouTube Shorts brings quick views. Yes, but does not bring real subscriber. So if you want to make use of shorts the right way, that it won't halt your channel. And make sure it is part of a long form content, the very catchy one. And you will feel which one I should focus on. And if you feel which one should I focus on, long form content or short form content, I would advise you to focus more on long form content. Lastly, ask yourself, should you make YouTube Shorts? Well, that depends on you. If you want to make your YouTube Short the right way, I explained it in my video saying how to post short the right way. Go and watch the video. I will drop the link in the description. And I am on a 7 days challenge and I don't want you to miss any of this video. So do well to subscribe, like my video, check out my playlist. See you in another video. Hi, yeah, Bodu. Bye. Bye.